Hey beauties, welcome back to Pink's Beauty, your home for all things natural and beautiful. Today I'm sharing amazing natural serums that you can easily make at home for glowing, healthy skin. No chemicals, no fancy brands, just pure, effective skincare. Let's dive right in. Serum number 1, aloe vera plus vitamin E. For this super hydrating serum, you'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 vitamin E capsule, a few drops of rose water. Mix them together and store in a small bottle. Apply this at night on a clean face for soft, dewy skin. Serum number 2, lemon and honey. Next up, our brightening serum. You'll need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off. Note, don't use this in the daytime, as lemon can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Serum number 3, cucumber and green tea. This one's perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Blend half a cucumber, 2 tablespoons of brewed green tea, strain and store in a spray bottle. Use it as a calming mist or serum, especially during hot weather. Not sure which serum is right for your skin type? I'm breaking it down with real product names just for you. Oily skin. If your skin gets oily and breaks out easily, go for the ordinary salicylic acid 2% solution. Clears pores. Dry skin. For dry, tight skin, you need hydration and glow. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Deep hydration. Combination skin. Balance is key. The ordinary niacinamide, 10% plus zinc, 1% controls oil in the T-zone. Normal skin. If your skin is normal, not too oily, not too dry, here's how to keep it perfect. Olay Retinol 24 Serum, anti-aging and smoothing. So now you know which serum is perfect for your skin. Which one do you use or want to try? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips that actually work.